Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Want to Stop, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can fund your Metatrader 5 account. But first of all, you need to make sure, or you need to find out that to fund your Metatrader 5 account, you actually need a broker account. And to have a broker account, you need to have a real account on your Metatrader 5. But right now, if you download Metatrader 5 and open it up, you can see that you are on a demo account. So to register on a real account, you need to go on messages, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. After that, register with your personal information to register and have a personal account. And after making your personal account, only then you'll be able to fund your Metatrader 5 account and do trades in real time where you can buy and sell cryptos, stocks, and not many more. And that's how you can fund your Metatrader 5 account. I hope you guys find the information on our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.